Good morning, class 9. The after effects of tsunami. Tsunami causes lots of effects and destructions all over the coastal areas. As tsunami is being occurring in the coastal areas, so this region suffers a lot. Great force of waves comes and fall over the coastal areas, so here floods are occurring and destroys everything and wipes out settlements, industries, whatever is situated near the coasts. India has experienced such a type of disaster in 2011, March 11, at northeastern coast of India, that is near Tamil Nadu. Not in 2011. In 2011, it was Honshu Island in Japan, where a nuclear power plant was washed away, and India also have experienced a severe disaster in 2011 in Tamil Nadu, where lots of destructions occurred. Not only Tamil Nadu, northeastern, southeastern coastal areas. Furies of tsunamis leave their imprints. That means while waves after waves are coming and falling over the coastal areas, then large blocks of rocks, boulders, debris far island into the shore and thus destroys the coastal lands. The tsunami that hit India had a great destruction in Andaman Nicobar Island also. Rivers of the coastal parts grow furious during this tsunami, and they bring devastating flood also around the banks of those places. Okay. Next is cyclone. What is cyclone? Cyclone is an atmospheric condition which is occurring, and it is characteristic by its rapid inward circulation of air, which cause a low pressure at the center, accompanied with fierce storm and torrential rain, often destructive in nature, because the pressure is so much that the area over which they flow, they break through everything. The cyclone of a low atmospheric pressure zone, where wind flows in a spiritual pattern counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. This can normally be seen in the tropical area. When cyclone is occurring, the air mass moves from an area of high pressure zone towards the center of the cyclone, where low pressure has been created. Cyclones in India are tropical and moderate. They are strong in nature, which we have experienced just a few months earlier. Its characteristic is that it has strong winds, heavy rain, and storm surge. Tropical cyclones are such type of storms that forms over oceans in tropical regions, and the heat and the moisture from this warm sea or ocean are becoming the source of energy of these cyclones. These are normally formed due to the condensation of high moisture air, which condense at higher altitude. And the cyclones emerge in regions between 8 degree to 20 degree latitude, both sides of the equator, because of high humidity and condition and warm sea surface temperature. The heat causes atmospheric air to expand, which becomes less dense and rise above the ocean surface. As the altitude increases, the air goes up and starts cooling down, causing more water vapor to condense by releasing latent heat. Now that heat draws more moisture in the center, maintaining same procedure, which ultimately rises upward and then becomes a chain which keeps on attracting the hot moisture from the surface of the ocean up to the high altitude, where the air cools down and water vapor converts into thick clouds that now picks up vapor again from the warm water and sucked back into the center of the depression. This process keeps on going, and so such strong clouds are formed. As the cyclone continues, the cycle continues. This vaporing and going up, forming of clouds continues. The surface pressure that is happening in the center drops lower and lower, causing a circulation of the air, and it gradually strengthens up, and the winds become stronger, which causes destructions.